Hello everyone, my name is Sayyida Nizami and I'm your instructor for Java 1. In this video, I will go over the final project detail and how to get started. So let me share my screen on your Canvas. Let me first open your Canvas page. This is your Canvas homepage where you have your modules. Click on the modules. If you don't see this as your homepage, click on the modules and find the final project module. So this is your final project module. This is the art contest. This is your submission. This is the drawing panel, -1 Java class, and these are the PowerPoint slides. So let me open, I have just pre-opened all the documents for a quick video so that I don't waste the time uploading and loading and stuff like that. So this is your art contest. These are the best pictures. These are the best voted pictures in the past art contest. I haven't updated it for like 2 years or so, I think long. So these are the best art pictures from my one of my students, is like from every quarter. To get into this, to get started with the drawing panel, you can start with the simple house shapes, simple shapes, and then go extreme, just like this the students have done. This is the drawing panel class. You will be using drawing panel -1 -2. When you download this file, download it somewhere on your downloads, or maybe it go in on your desktop, depends where you have set your download option or whatever the download option you select at that point. After downloading, you need to rename the file and remove -1 and -2, which is -1 -2, so that the class name is just drawing panel. These are the PowerPoint slides. These gonna help you a lot. So I highly recommend reviewing these PowerPoint slides once. They are helpful for you just to get you started. They have some pre-written testing code which you can utilize and just to see if your drawing panel class is working or not. So I have just downloaded. Let me stop the share and let me share my desktop. Let me see where it is. Okay, this is my desktop. So this is the drawing panel. As you can see, drawing panel -1 -2. I will rename this file, and by renaming, I'm just removing these extra 1 and 2, which is not part of it. It just Canvas has multiple files, so it just mark, and I tried removing all those files, but there's some were removed and some are still hidden. So after drawing panel.java, after you have renamed your file, open your Eclipse. Let's open Eclipse. Now I have to stop my share again, because with Zoom you have to share back, and when you're sharing back and forth, you need to stop the share and reshare it again. This is my Eclipse. This is the Eclipse, and what we have is on the left side, you can just pick any of the project, create your project, maybe it's your final project. And then what I will do is I will take my drawing panel class wherever I have saved. The easiest way for me is to drag the file, bring it into Eclipse, and drag it over here in, let's say, week 1, 2, and it shows me a message, copy files. I will say, okay, copy the file. This is the project folder. As you can see, here is my drawing panel.java. I have just dragged the file and have dropped it over here in one of the project folder. The easiest way, drag and drop. And now I have my drawing panel.java class over here. Now, my project class must be in the same folder. Okay, so must be in the same folder, just like assignment 1 is here. I will be removing my assignment 1 from here till now, like at this point. I have my class, I have my main method. What you will do is you will be creating a drawing panel object. So make sure no spelling mistake, exactly the same. D is capital and P is capital. Give your panel a name, equals to new drawing panel, means that you are creating the object of this class. So panel. And inside you have to define the width and height of the panel. It's just like you're getting a scrap paper, or you're getting a canvas where you are just starting to paint something. So let's say our drawing panel size is like 700, 700, and end the statement with a semicolon. So as you can see, there is no error anywhere in my code. So if you have written the code till now like this, there should not be any error in your code. If you are seeing any error, it means you have making a mistake of drawing panel. Maybe your drawing panel is somewhere else in the folder or outside of the folder. So as you can see, the indentation is same. They both are in the same package, in the same default package, in the same project. Okay. After, if I just run like this, you will see an extra window at the bottom of your Eclipse or the taskbar. Just take a look. There will be an open window, empty, with 700 by 700 width and height size of that window, and it's going to be empty. Now what you want your drawing panel to have is, if you run, I'm not sure if Zoom is showing you my drawing panel empty window or not, but you can run. If there is no error, you will be able to see a white canvas kind of a thing. Then you will be doing graphics. G equals to new graphics, not new graphics, sorry. I will say panel dot get graphics. That if I just say panel dot, you will see a list of, if I remove, sorry, my computer is a little bit slow at a moment. Panel dot, you can see bunch of functionalities this panel can have. So I will say get the graphics, and now my panel, which was a white canvas, is ready to paint. So it's just like giving my panel that, hey panel, you will be there, you will be used as a drawing scenario. So if I give you a functionality to draw circle, rectangle, colors, you should be able to accept. And as you can see, there is an error. Graphics class is in java.awt package, so you need to import. Graphics is not part of drawing panel class. So graphics is part of in java.awt awt.star. Your colors are also there, so it means I was recommend using .star. The error is gone now, so at this moment there must be no errors right now. So if you're seeing any errors, again, make a Zoom appointment with me, or any other time just email me. If my office hours are packed and you're not able to find any other time, email me, we'll schedule a different time. Graphics G equals to panel.get graphics. Now this G is the one, G is gonna create so much stuff. You'll say G dot, and you can see all the bunch of the methods, oval, rectangle, fill rect, whatever you want to do with that canvas. You want to draw a cat, a flag, start with a flag, a tree, anything you want. You can just, as you can see, tell the X and Y value, then width and height of the rectangle, or whatever you are specifying. So let's say 60, and I'm just putting random values. I'm not sure what it's going to create. 30, width and height. Let's say width is 70, height is like, let's say 40 something. Now let's run, and you will have a rectangle over here, as you can see, with fill rect. You can change the colors as well. How to do it? Let me stop the share. Now I will share back my screen of Canvas with the PowerPoint slide. As you can see, you will set the color of your pen, and then you will say fill rect. So the rectangle is in red color. You want to change, you want to do anything. This is a simple code where you are creating a small truck. You can change the size, change the colors, and it's just fill rect, oval, end rect, and like, you created a mini truck. As you move forward, there are functionalities with the loops, as you can see. So there are like pre-written code. Copy and paste this code, run on your Eclipse, see the functionality, draw your picture on a paper, and see how the loop will work in your scenario. What functionalities of graphics you will be using to create your picture, where are rectangles needed, what will be the X and Y value, and that's it. Like, this is what it is. Make sure that you follow the rubric, follow the guideline, how you will be graded. Other than that, you don't have to go that much extreme, but if you go, that's for you, like you're learning, that's going to be amazing. So you have colors and multiple codings, like how you can add text as well to your picture, and that's it. That's it about your drawing panel. If you're having any errors in with the drawing panel, importing and exporting, make sure you check the spelling of your drawing panel class, and you also make sure it's in the right location. That's it for this video. I tried to make it short and try to complete like all the frequently asked questions I was getting over the email. So hopefully this video helps you and will help with your final project. So best of luck for your final project and for your final exam. Best of luck and bye.